Tourism and Special Project, Sir Lyle Fernando Uy, Executive Assistant for Gulf Tourism and Special Project, Paulo P. Latian, and of course our Singlife CEO, Sir Lester Cruz. He will be running the Sydney Marathon this weekend. Next weekend. So he's very prepared. Of course, our media, our run clubs, and other guests who participated for this special day. And me personally, I am very, very excited and happy to be here today with you to share our partnership with Singlife Philippines. And Singlife Philippines is the official insurance partner of Run Rio. Singlife is also the title sponsor of Philippine Marathon Major. And they are also the title sponsor of the 5 out of 8 marathons inside the Philippine Marathon Major. So we will be more excited with this partnership because number one, we share the same vision or mission. We really want to encourage a lot of Filipino people to have a healthy lifestyle, to have a better life, and of course to live fully, through running. And at the same time, to be part of this amazing, I think, historical event that we are launching today. And I would like to share with you guys some of the exciting pakulo of our Philippine Marathon Majors to share you with the background of why or how I created this concept. Back in 2020, during the pandemic, I had the opportunity to invited to participate in the investment in Sydney Marathon. And one of our objectives during that time is to create our own marathon majors, because during that time, we thought that the 6 marathon majors, that's it, no? And then in 2021, we had an opportunity to be part of the candidate for World Marathon Major. So the plan for creating our own Philippine Marathon Major or Southeast Asia Marathon Major, na-park siya. But this time, I told to my partner in Sydney that I will be continuing it. And good news, we became the 7th World Marathon Major this year. And one of our agreement, and I actually personally requested it to them to give 300 slots for Philippines or Southeast Asia. So we are the only races, I think, in the world to get a 300 slots. It's a guaranteed slots. Of course, you have to register. May bayad siya. No? So actually, I think we created a shakeout run. No, this coming next week, and we were surprised. More than 400 Filipino runners who already signed up for the meetup and shakeout run. So we will be continuing that one, and of course, I think I have here 10 or 11 few points why Philippine Marathon Major is unique and very special for me and for all of us and for our running community. So number one, 8 races siya, no? So 4 in Luzon, 2 in Visayas, and 2 in Mindanao. So later on, I will discuss more about that. So the race route for each races are certified by the World Athletics. So what this means is we are providing a platform, an opportunity for our national athlete. To give you a background, our national athlete cannot join any races in the Philippines if it's not certified or accredited by Philippine Amateur Track and Field Association. So, so I decided na how we can help these elite runners is by providing this kind of event. They don't have to run all the 8 races, no? But they can actually use this as a qualifying for SEA Games, Asian Games, Olympics, or any other international races that they will be representing Philippines. This will be also a qualifying for World Marathon Majors, since this is a certified route by AIMS and World Athletics. So in World Athletics, if you join the marathon, you will be included in the world rankings. So I think some of you ran the Manila Marathon last August 10. You can actually see your results in the World Athletics. So that's one of the perks of that partnership. And then of course, as I mentioned a while ago, we will be giving a 300 slots, guaranteed slots for all age groupers. So top 3 for each races nationwide will get a chance. No? So if you already get a slots last August 10, we can actually allocate to the number 4, 5, or 6. So para magkaroon ng opportunity yung others to experience. And yung 300 will be divided into 8 races. So kung ano yung matira in the last leg of the race, pwede din siyang dumami na allocation. I think we already gave out 50 slots in the Manila Marathon last August 10. And then yung next namin is yung big cash prizes. So as I mentioned, to give opportunity for our elite runners, I think more than 1 million pesos yung ibibigay namin per race, all categories. And we actually adding one category, which is the international runners. So it will be separate from the local runners so that there's an opportunity if we have Kenyans, European, Americans to participate. At least our national team will still be motivated to participate because the cash prizes will be the same. No? And this is actually one of our pakulo for all of these races for next year. So each race, 8 races, we will be raffling out 1 car per race. So regardless if we have sponsor or not, we will be getting at least 1 raffle car for each races. Yes. Wow. So you just have to register, and of course we will be inviting DTI para proper yung kanilang pag-identify ng winners natin. So pag nanalo ka doon sa isang race, hindi na pwede na susunod. Give opportunity. Okay? And then next is, of course, we have medals also. So if you complete all the 8 races, makakuha ka ng medal. Yep. And so I'm working on with this. This is the World Athletics logo. So next week I will be in Sydney and I will be asking for a permission from my partner who is the race director of the Sydney Marathon to include the Sydney Marathon logo here. So if you join the Sydney Marathon, your medal will be different. So for local, ito siya. So yung sa Sydney, hindi pa sure kasi papaalam ko pa siya, but yun yung big vision natin. So, siyempre hindi naman lahat makakapunta ng Sydney Marathon. So at least ito yung back-to-back na makukuha nila. So, umiikot siya, nagro-rotate yung sa middle. So yan yung Philippine Marathon Majors logo natin. So, of course, it will not be a amazing race or successful event without our partner with Singlife. So they are the title sponsor of this. So we will be calling this Singlife Philippine Marathon Major. And then last, not last pala, sorry. Of course, one of the success and main objective of this Philippine Marathon Major is to support and showcase our tourist destination. And of course, one of our goals is to promote each city, and we encourage and hoping to attract local runners to travel locally. And most importantly, we want to attract international runners to come to Philippines and showcase our Philippines cities and food and other things that we can actually provide. So last August 10, we had like 16 countries with almost 300 international runners. So from Southeast Asia to Europe to US and other part of Oceania. So they came and I think they experienced how yung hospitality ng Filipino, and we want to continue that as I discussing with our directors ng DOT kanina. It's not there yet when you call it international, but in terms of execution, I would say it's there, but there are some improvement that we need. No, of course, the support of DOT will be need there, so that we can make it more exciting. Okay, and then of course we will be continuing yung ating age groupers. No? So meron tayong age category for our 42 kilometer, because this is very important so that we can identify the runners who will be getting the slots or guaranteed slots for the Sydney Marathon. So as I mentioned a while ago, we will be having 8 races. So the first race will be the Philippine Marathon on February 22. The second one will be the Iloilo Marathon, which is in Iloilo City. This is sponsored or titled sponsor for this is the Singlife. And then the Manila Marathon, June 7. Cebu International Marathon will be July 12. So this is different from the existing Cebu Marathon. So I just had a discussion with them this morning to inform them about our Philippine Marathon major. And specifically, I told them we are not competing, but we are creating new platform for our runners and opportunity for us to promote tourism in our country. So we are sharing the same vision. So that's why we are very, very happy with it. And it's 6 months apart naman. So it will not conflict. Then next is the Davao Marathon, which is August. So medyo part siya ng Kadayawan. So I already discussed this with the sports department ng Davao City. And then one Clark Marathon, which is on September 20. And then the TRA Finals is actually part of the Philippine Marathon major. So ito lang yung medyo challenging for all of these 8 kasi you have to finish the leg 1, leg 2, leg 3 for you to be able to join the marathon. So medyo madami lang siya. But the good thing is, you don't have to finish the 8 marathon races in a year. So you can just finish it in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or 10 years. We are here for long term, and we want you to complete the Philippine Marathon Majors medal. And then the last one will be the CDO Marathon, which is last month of the year, which is December 13, 2026 for next year. So I hope you guys are excited, and of course preparation is very important. That's why we are here to launch this event in partnership with Singlife, and we are also happy that the 5 races here in front of me are title sponsored by Singlife and also with our SM Supermalls. So next month, we will also have our media launch. So together with SM and of course Singlife to finally promote this at one. And lastly, Gatorade will be coming in as our sports drink. So yung hydration last time, yung August 10, I think nakita natin yung review doon sa social media, panalo siya. So we will continue doing that, yung best practices. Rest assured that we learned a lot from Manila Marathon last August 10. It's not perfect yet. With my standard, I think we have a lot of room for improvement. So we really want to show you guys when you join these races, it will be international standard. So Randio, Trilogy, and other races of us will be investing a lot, of course, in partnership with Singlife. So we will make sure na experience-wise, when you join this, you will repeat it again. And you will continue and finish the 8 Philippine Marathon major. So with that, I will end my speech here. I hope you got excited and start your training now because the first race will be on February. Okay? Thank you guys.